This is an Aston Martin DB11, and today what we are doing is projecting this gorgeous midnight blue via paint protection film. So the customer has opted to get the Front-End PPF package, which consists of the bonnet, the bumper, the side wings, and also the wing mirrors. So let's jump straight into the video. Before we get into protecting this gorgeous car, why not subscribe for weekly videos and short form content as well? Due to the bonnet being so large, we have decided to hand cut and do the bonnet in one big piece. We've even had to order in a special 70-inch roller instead of 60. If you want to learn how to apply paint protection film, then check the link in the description below and we can teach you today. The PPF is now complete. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and why not subscribe, it helps out the channel massively.